Hey guys, I'm so happy to see you all again. Oh guys, today I wanna show you a cute little cat I created. His name is Nemo. I really hope I can tell lots of fun stories with him. I really wanted to animate him too, but there wasn't enough time in this video. So far now, let's jump into the sketch of this adorable little guy.
It's me. Me looking down on me. The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity.